Hi, my name is Anya, and one of my previous videos I did a chocolate cake Christmas tree, and I had some cake left over from that. So for today's video, I'm going to do leftover chocolate cake truffles. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified every time I upload. I upload every day, Monday to Friday. Crumble up some leftover cake. Warm up some cream and add in some chopped up chocolate. Allow to sit for 5 minutes. Then mix until smooth and shiny. Add in your cake crumbs and mix until well combined. Place your mixture in the fridge for about 10 minutes to firm up. Roll your mixture into balls and place it onto a baking tray. Place back in the fridge for 20 minutes to firm up. Dip your cake balls into some chocolate. You can leave them dunked in chocolate, or you can add sprinkles. Or crushed up Oreos. Or you can roll your cake balls into some hot chocolate powder, which is a personal favorite of mine. Enjoy some chocolate cake truffles.